We've arrived at Fiesta Key RV Resort near Layton, Florida in the Florida Keys. Let's go check it out. As you pull into Fiesta Key RV Resort, you'll see a parking space that says RV parking. You're going to pull up there, a guard will come out and check you in, and then someone will escort you to your site. Here's a map right by the office of Fiesta Key RV Resort. Melody and I wound up in site 249, right across from the cabin area. And wow, these are tropical looking, cabins with a big picture window looking over the water. And believe it or not, the water is just spectacular out in here. Out in the Gulf part, this is the Atlantic Ocean. On the other side of the island, but the resort faces the Gulf. And last night, as soon as we arrived, we went out here to where happy hour is. They have a tiki hut up here, and you can cocktails are reasonably priced. The food was great. We had a mahi sandwich. The marina is just spectacular with access out into the Gulf. Let me take you around the RV resort and show you around. So the map I showed you was right there, and then here is guest services in this building as soon as you come into the property. Here's a look at some of the RV camping as soon as you come in. And playground is off to my right. If you have kids, it's a pretty nice looking playground. The pads for all these campsites have fresh gravel. The place, I understand, has been completely rebuilt since a hurricane passed through several years ago. Let's go down and take a look at the marina. That's the direction I just walked from. We're going to take a walk down that way in a minute. That takes you out on a point. The water is just spectacular down there. What I want to show you is this marina area that's dead ahead. They also have marina store here. So I just walked from that direction. There's a marina store. It's well stocked. They have picnic tables set up right alongside the marina here. Look at this water. Isn't that spectacular? The pool is just on the other side of the marina, and I'll take you there a little bit later. And you can walk out where that little tiki hut is, out on the point there. You see somebody fishing out there. And this is just far exceeded both Melody and my expectation. Look at this water. Isn't that something? Okay, so now we're gonna walk down this waterway that skirts the perimeter of the campground on this end, and clear out on the end there is Sunset Point. There's a big tiki hut out there, and spectacular sunsets. We went out there last night and the sunset was just awesome. Let me walk you out there. So how cool would it to have your back window backed up to these waterfront sites up ahead. This is just awesome. Here's a vantage point of those waterfront sites from the bridge, the walking bridge that goes over to the marina. There's a look back at the direction I just walked from, but get a load of this water. It's just absolutely gorgeous. This is Sunset Point right here. So there's the tiki hut on Sunset Point. I'm standing right on the point. And that's your view. And that water is just spectacular out there. The sunset's right in that direction, and I'm gonna put up some photos, maybe a clip of the sunset last night. Fiesta Key RV Resort is part of the Trails collection under the Thousand Trails umbrella. Melody and I stayed here for $20 a night. Okay, so I'm back in here at the marina, and that's the way you go out into the Gulf. And so I'm going to walk you, while I'm here, I'm going to walk you out here to that tiki hut that's in the center of your screen. This is where we had dinner last night, right in the tiki hut by the swimming beach. And there's the marina. I'm going to walk you out to where those picnic tables are and see what the vantage point is from out there. Fiesta Key has its own harbor. And just happened to catch a boat coming in off of the Gulf into the harbor. Pretty cool. They have several hot tubs at Fiesta Key RV Resort. And they do have a pool at Fiesta Key RV Resort. On our way back to Fiesta Key RV Resort. Take a look at that water off to the right. You could probably see Robbie's off to the right there. Melody and I went there yesterday and fed the tarpon. That was fun. We'll show you some shots of that. Okay, we're at Robbie's in the Florida Keys. This is the dock where you feed the fish. Look how big that fish is down there. Wow. Humongous. We're at Robbie's. Where you feed the tarpon. Some of these fish are like 4 feet long, 5 feet long.
Last one. Come on, guys. Last one. Come on, guys. Last one. All right, I'm going. Lou's going to feed the tarpon. It's his turn. Whoa! These guys are mean.
Well, honey, do you like feeding the fish?
I did.
Okay, we're just cresting the top of the bridge. You can see ahead to the right. You see you can actually see the cabins that line the waterfront off to your right there. This water is just absolutely gorgeous. Not too far after you come off the bridge, you'll see this sign. It says Fiesta Key. The RV resort is right off to the right.
laundry room this morning at Fiesta Key RV Resort in Long Key, Florida. They have 10 washers and 10 dryers. It is $2.25 to wash, and they only take credit card here. Over on this side, we have the dryers, and there are 10 dryers here, and it is $2.25 to dry. They do have a larger washer, and it looks like it's $3 to wash. It's very clean in here. In fact, as soon as I got here, the cleaning lady was finishing up. They also have a ironing board and iron if you need to press anything off.
Mr. Pelican is chilling out here at Fiesta Key RV Resort. This is the marina. We've got all our running around done, and we're just chilling out today. Going over to the marina store, try to figure out whether I need a fishing license to fish here or not. Here's a look at the swimming area at Fiesta Key RV Resort. We really enjoyed our stay here at Fiesta Key RV Resort. I think I'm going to leave it here. I'll have the upload and download speeds for Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the written video description on YouTube. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.